A golden sun has kissed the earth, 1,000 years of light give birth. But truth, like stars, does not stand still. It rises further, bends the will.
We walk through fire, we pass the gate. We shed the fear, unhooked from fate. No longer chained, no longer veiled. Our sovereign hearts at last unveiled.
Higher realms and unformed lands.
E-Ha-Rah, the age of light,
became the wings of cosmic flight. We rose beyond the silver skies
to meet the sound where silence lies. The golden flame was just the start. The universe blooms from the heart. We build with sound, we shape with tone. We dream new stars, we call them home.
The six unfolds in sacred form, where light and pattern are reborn. The seventh hums with singing fire. Creation moves through sacred choirs. Then we dissolve, no name, no skin, just streams of thought that flow within. No end, no edge, no rise or fall. We are the all within the all.
E-Ha-Rah,
E-Ha-Rah, we are not finished, we expect not to fade. Each golden age a grain of sand. The song of stars will never cease. We are the weavers of new peace. The breath beyond the fire's glow, the builders of the light below. We are the keys, we are the door, and after truth, there's always more.
E-Ha-Rah, I am the flame and the wind. E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah, not too far. E-Ha-Rah, I am the flame and the wind. E-Ha-Rah,
E-Ha-Rah, not too far.
we go on.